Patuloy na.
Welcome back to the channel. I know na ang tagal ko na since the last time that I uploaded a vlog and I haven't really properly said hello formally. And the only reason why I don't do vlogs anymore the past couple of months kasi nagka-COVID yung PC ko. I know that's a weird thing to say, but nagka-virus yung PC ko. Don't ask why. But my name is Jho, if you guys are new here. And I promised, if you're listening to radio, I will try to do weekly vlogs starting this week. So you'll probably see this on Saturday. And I don't know, what do we have to talk about to catch up? There's just a lot of things that happened over the past couple of 7 months, and we're still trying to keep up with things that's been going on simultaneously. Kakauwi ko lang pala with Bldg. The first time, Les came with me today. And that was really exciting because I've always wanted him to come with me and para masamahan ako mamalengke. Kakauwi ko lang and kakaligo ko lang. And we got so many things to look forward to this week. So, without further ado, welcome to my week.
Grabe ka naman kumatok ate.
129.
129? Pero may balance na po yan Na-check niyo na po ba?
Saan nag-load kayo yan?
Oo, ito yung balance ko po Kanina po
Kasi pumasok kayo sa akin as invalid, no?
Ayan 550 siya.
Oo. I-verify natin kung medyo matatagalan to.
Okay.
Kung gusto nyo para hindi kayo maabala at para sa hindi maabala kasi pa-out na rin ako. Babayaran nyo muna ito 129. Magagamit yung niload nyo sa next exit nyo.
Sige. Wala naman akong cash. Pa-check na lang ako ate. Wala naman akong cash. Oo, wala akong cash. Nagulat naman ako dun kay ate. She's called the tall teller. I know that we're supposed to be responsible for having, balances in our RFID, but sometimes you just can't be bothered to check. And as a girl who doesn't carry cash with her, what am I supposed to do unless you accept GCash payment? Sige. I don't have any cash with me. Which is so odd because I remember I have money here. I know na. There is a 500 peso in my car. A random 500 peso. Okay, let's try to. Hopefully she comes by here. Nahanap ko na nakaipit kung saan lupalop ng sasakyan.
Okay na?
Okay na po. Salamat po. Let's go.
tatlong makulit na lang. So, I'll move you one step up na rectangular one time, 16 by 69.
Yung lower mo medyo tigas ulo eh. Wala naman tayo open tayo. So, like this. We can start brushing the upper lip.
Very, very active.
Last one na lang for me. If I'm going to be, a future mommy na, feeling ko I'll be a lot strict. Feeling ko I'll be a little bit traditional. I don't know. Let's see. Or maybe because I know all the bad in the world and experience ko na. So maybe...
you were that kind of bad also at one point.
Oh,
in your
yeah,
life.
yeah.
Bakit yun? Ha? Huli natin, yung birthday mo. 3 years ago, 4 years ago. Pasay.